Welcome to Maker Build Pro. Today we'll see how a modern timber home is built step by step, from the floor framing and wall construction to the massive beam staircase and complete roof structure. Let's watch the entire building process unfold. The long wooden boards are being measured and positioned across the concrete floor, so the layout stays straight for the next stage. The wooden floor joists are being installed one by one to build a strong and even floor frame. The wooden wall frame is being lifted together and positioned upright on the concrete floor. The OSB sheathing is being installed onto the outside of the wall frame to strengthen the structure.
Got things going on now. As you guys saw, I just got all that shit out there. We're going to wrap up that little section
The OSB sheathing is being cut with a power tool so the opening matches the required size. The wooden joists are being held in position and secured firmly with a nail gun. The large wooden header beam is being lifted by a machine and positioned across the top of the wall.
now.
The large wooden beam is being lowered carefully onto the wall and aligned into its final position. After the beams are in place, the upper floor joists are being installed one by one. The OSB floor panels are being installed over the wooden joists to form the new floor surface. The upper floor joists are being aligned and worked on carefully so the floor structure stays even. The large OSB panel is being positioned over the upper floor and aligned into place. The OSB floor is being cut with a circular saw to create the required opening. The wooden stair frame is being measured and installed inside the wall framing. The wooden stair pieces are being installed one by one to form the lower steps.
So to create 9 foot, but our sheet hang down at the bottom. Here's the back of our wall height is only 8'6" now. It's all 6 to 12 nailing with 8 Ds.
The wooden pieces are being secured with a nail gun to keep the structure strong. The OSB panels are being installed over the sloped roof frame to cover the surface. The OSB floor panels are being installed over the wooden joists to build the next floor section. A section of the OSB floor is being cut out to create the required opening. The large roof frame is being lifted carefully and prepared for positioning into place.
We're going to bring out the rest of the interior right now.
The interior wall frames are being positioned one by one to define each room inside the house. The wooden joist is being held in position and secured firmly with a nail gun. The curved roof members are being installed together to strengthen the upper roof structure. The wooden connections are being secured to the metal brackets with a nail gun for added strength. The entire roof frame is being completed as each section is aligned into a straight and even layout. The ceiling joists are being installed together to create a strong and even overhead structure.